Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California, until 7:45 p.m. PDT. At 4:43 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 0.75 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include